Hi, let's talk about this pivot door made by Modern Steel Doors. This pivot door is about 5 feet wide and 8 feet tall. What I really like about this pivot door is the unique combination of materials. Typically, most doors are all wood, or all metal, or metal and glass. But very rarely do you have a combination of wood with metal. This is a combination that works fantastically because metal brings to this composition the structural integrity and contrast. This metal has been powder coated in matte black, so it offers very nice contrast to this wood. So while this is cold and structurally strong, this is warm and it has grain. It's very organic. I like the way the wood has been used in this door. It's horizontal. They're clean horizontal planks. This is solid mahogany, and the horizontality is it's more conducive to modern homes, so I really like that. So here you have mahogany that's used, which will never warp, it'll never bow, it'll never fail, because all of the structural integrity of the door is provided by the metal. So that's wonderful. A very clever addition to this composition is also this door pull. This door pull is metal. I like it because it has black, it's metal, and it also has grain. So the wood is what's normally associated with grain. However, this sculpting has provided grain within the metal. So it kind of brings everything together here into this very nice door pull. I like it. It looks great at a distance. As you get closer, you can really appreciate the grain. And when you touch it, it's a very unique tactile experience. So this is a very unique composition, yet it looks very clean and crisp. This also has a smart lock. The smart lock I like because it comes with an app, and with the app, you can assign a window of access to friends, family, or even service people. And with the app, it'll give you a report of who comes and goes and when this is done. If you'd like more information on getting one of these awesome pivot doors for your home, please give us a call or fill out the contact form and we'll get hold of you. Thank you.